Here's a friendly reminder to drink your water because staying hydrated is extremely important. Hashtag stay hydrated guys, hashtag stay hydrated. Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Today I'm back with another custom ROM video. I've got the Redmi Note 10 Pro over here and it's running DotOS 5.2. Now a few weeks back I tried the previous version of DotOS on Mi 10T. That video is awesome and DotOS itself is very good. If you want to watch that video, I'll make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. But this newer version of DotOS is better than ever. It's very customizable and I really like the aesthetic part of it. So today in this video, let's dive into DotOS 5.2 on Redmi Note 10 Pro. Now before we move forward, here's a quick word from the sponsors of today's video. Now before we proceed, I just wanted to answer a question that I've been asked a couple of times by my friends. How is your hairline so good? Well, the answer to that is pretty simple. I've been taking good care of my overall health by eating right, getting the right amount of sleep and following a healthy lifestyle. All of this was actually suggested to me by Triage hair experts with a customized prescription plan given by their doctors. I would highly recommend everyone to go ahead and take their free hair test because that will give you a clear idea as to where your hair health stands. This hair test helps you take action on your current stage of hair loss so that you don't end up having a hair transplant. Unlike other brands out there, these guys first try to find the root cause of your hair fall and then aim at hair growth. So definitely check out their website and take the free hair test by clicking the link in the description box below. And you can also avail a 15% discount on a minimum purchase of $17.50 by using the code Technolobe15. Alright, this is it. This is Redmi Note 10 Pro running on DotOS 5.2. First up, let's go to the settings page and about phone. So about phone, as you can see, DotOS 5.2 and the Android version is Android 11. So this ROM does not come with Android 12 out of the box. It's still on Android 11, but it has all the Android 12 customization features. That's the main thing about this ROM. It has Android 12 customization features and all those widgets in Android 11, and that is just excellent. So right off the bat, let's go ahead and check the customization options. First up, I'm going to go into widgets over here, and as you can see, customizations has all these new widgets which are Android 12 widgets. So various types of clocks over here. I've set the default one and I really like this one. It looks absolutely stunning. Now the main thing over here are the colors. So once I go into settings, there's a dedicated tab for customization, and once I go in over here, you can see that you can change a lot of things. First up, we have changed wallpaper, that is basic. Then the next tab says wallpaper colors or system colors. Basically, you can choose which colors do you want. Do you want the UI to choose colors from the wallpaper, or do you want to have the basic, normal system colors? You should go for the wallpaper colors because whenever you change the wallpaper, each and every UI element will also change its color. Basically, material hue. So once you select the wallpaper colors, you have a couple of options. You can, change the color of the wallpaper. Basically, it will take colors from the wallpaper and you can change that over here. I'm just going to keep it the orange one because that looks really cool. Then there is theme colorfulness, theme brightness. Then there is clock face, launcher grid, system font, icon shapes, icon pack, settings card, disable notification transparency. Then there are more settings. AOD and lock screen, status bar, quick settings, app lock, button, system, maintainers. Basically, you can customize a lot of things inside this ROM and that is just excellent. Now first up, let me go ahead and quickly change the wallpaper so that I can show you this feature working. And here we go. Let's set this awesome wallpaper by Venkatesh. So I'm just going to long press on set over here. And as soon as I do that, here itself I get a lot of options. So I get lock screen, home screen like the previews. Then I can also download this wallpaper. I can set the colors. Like basically it will take all these colors from the wallpaper itself. And you can also crop into the image. I really like this aesthetic, so I'm just going to click apply over here. And here we go. The wallpaper has been changed. But the best part is that the UI elements will also change. So as you can see, the clock widget itself has taken colors from the wallpaper. And as soon as I swipe down over here, everything is in this teal color, which it picked from the wallpaper. That is just excellent. So let's go into settings now and customization. And again over here, these colors have been changed. So basically all the Android 12 customization features are available over here and that is awesome. They work really well, way better than the previous version and I really appreciate that. So job well done to the developer. This feature is awesome. Now if we go to the display settings and scroll down over here, we have device specific settings which will allow you to set the refresh rate to 120 Hz. So basically this phone has 120 Hz refresh rate and you can set that in this ROM itself. and that is excellent. Now if you check out the camera app over here, this camera app that comes along with the ROM is pretty basic and it's not the best out there. So let's go ahead and change that. I'm going to swipe up, go to Chrome, I'm going to go to Technolobe.com, and then I'm going to go to Google Camera Hub. Let's scroll down to Xiaomi. We have the Redmi Note 10 Pro over here, Gcam 8.1. I'm going to download this one over here. So yes, you can use Google Camera on this ROM, and I highly recommend you to use Google Camera because the stock camera application that comes with this ROM is pretty basic and does not have a lot of features. So yes, Google Camera is the way to go. Now apart from that, everything is working in this ROM. It does not have any major bugs as such. And if you go to the DRM info application over here, you can see that the Widevine L1 certification is present over here. So basically you can watch HD content on Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hotstar or wherever else you want to. So that is highly appreciated over here. Apart from that, this is a normal stock Android 11 ROM. You get all the stock features, you get plain vanilla Android, and that is just the best experience ever. This is exactly how I like my smartphone. This is a very clean, minimal and aesthetically appealing experience over here, and that's exactly how I like my smartphone. Now if we talk about battery life, that also has been very good on this ROM. In fact, I was surprised by the battery life. I was expecting it to be trash because custom ROMs generally don't have very good battery life, but this custom ROM right over here does have good battery life, so thumbs up for that. All in all, I really like DotOS 5.2 over here. It's all about the customization options that you get. Basically Android 12 like features on Android 11. You don't have to wait for Android 12 custom ROMs. You can go ahead and download this ROM, install it on your smartphone, and you can get the features right away. If you want to download this ROM, I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. Once you download the ROM, you just have to flash it and you'll be good to go. Now before you flash it, you will need an unlocked bootloader and a custom recovery installed like TWRP recovery. If you don't know how to do that, do not worry. I have an article on my website which has a step-by-step guide on how to unlock the bootloader and install custom recovery on your Xiaomi smartphone. So make sure you read that and then you can install this custom ROM. As always, do this at your own risk. You will lose all your data, so make sure you take a backup of your data because that is very important. So anyway, that's been it. This was a very quick video about DotOS on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It will mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.